I just want to get you on something. Hold up. I want to get you on something real quick. So, we be outside. We be playing, right? It be all fun day, right? And then, keep in mind, it's March. Keep in mind that. It's really March, right? So, we be playing, right? We playing all day, having a great time. And remember, this is yesterday. So, playing all good, right? And we be playing, right? Wind starts blowing at us. All of a sudden, magically, wind starts blowing at us, right? So I'm like, okay, maybe it's on today. I mean, it's like spring, like, this should be happening anyway. Then after I wake up, come outside, it's windy. Bro. So then, alright, maybe just the morning. Mornings are always kind of, downfalls. Come on, let's go. Still windy. Bro, we are in March right now, really? March. And bro, we're supposed to be in spring. Spring, hot, sunny, good feeling. No, bro, look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. And keep in mind, it's spring, bro. It's spring. And why are we having wind? I mean, there's a problem about weather. Weather do not know when to turn their heat up and when they're not turning their heat up. See? It's ridiculous. I can't. It's windy. Well, I thought it was spring, but I guess not.